too. Ah, nice little girlie who'd love me true, and whisper to me, Daddy, I'm in love with you. I wanna find a sweetie, and I'm finding it a hard thing to do. Ah, I'm looking for a sweetie everywhere I go. Ah, I'm looking for a sweetie, so I'm asking everyone that I know if they know of a girlie with the ruby red lips who slays all the fellas with the movement of her hips. I'm looking for a sweetie everywhere I go. Ah, here in my good old country, it's like a good old game. I go on searching everywhere, from Florida to Maine. Oh, well, I wanna find a sweetie, and I'm finding it a hard thing to do. Ah, I'm looking for a girlie who is looking for a sweetie too. Not a cold mama who'd make me grieve, but a warm, warm girlie who'd never ever leave. I wanna find a sweetie, and I'm finding it a hard thing to do. Yet the ending of this story is as crazy as can be. For after searching everywhere, even o'er the sea, I went and found the girl of my dreams living right next door to me. Ah, yes, I finally found a sweetie right here in my own hometown. Well, oh well, I found my sweetie and I quit my run around. Now me and my sweetie are happy as can be, making plans for a sweet family. Yes, I finally found my sweetie right